We had better return the bird to its nest. No, it's mine. It's my pet and my friend. Come on, it's just a little bird. Nature is its home, and parent birds will worry if their kid disappears. Oh, okay, you are right. Let's take the bird to its nest. We had searched for a while, but didn't find the bird's nest. We will find it. Keep searching. Yeah, we will find the nest, because you are the greatest earthbender in the world. Yes, I am the greatest earthbender in the world. Hey, look! I found the nest! It's time to say goodbye. Live happily and grow up healthy. Darn, I put the bird back in its nest. I'm so proud of you.